Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to talk about Sydney Opera House. My name is Jania Hasanunadia. I am the student of Civil Engineering of Sultan Agung Islamic University. My purpose today is to tell you about Sydney Opera House. To start with, I'll describe a history of Sydney Opera House. Then, I'll mention the uniqueness of Sydney Opera House. After that, I'll consider the architecture and design, also the designer. I'll try to answer any of your questions after the presentation. I'd like to start by history of Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House is a multi-venue performing arts center in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. Located on the foreshore of Sydney Harbour, it is widely regarded as one of the world's most famous and distinctive buildings and a masterpiece of 20th century architecture. The Sydney Opera House is the symbol of modern Australia, a World Heritage listed masterpiece of human creative genius. It exists because a few brave people dared to think differently. From conception to completion, the building tested the limits of engineering, construction, and design. When the Opera House opened its doors in 1973, changing the image of Australia, a new era of cultural discovery and community engagement began. 5 decades later, Sydney Opera House stands as an important community meeting place, the nation's busiest performing arts center, and an illegal part of Sydney through our contribution to culture, heritage, sustainability, and tourism. That's all I have to say about the history of Sydney Opera House. Now we'll move on to the uniqueness of Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House is an opera house located on Port Jackson, Sydney Harbour, New South Wales, Australia. Its unique use of a series of gleaming white sail-shaped cells as its roof structure makes it one of the most photographed buildings in the world. And this is the history of architecture and the design plan of Sydney Opera House. Let me turn to the history of designer of Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House was designed by Danish architect Bjørn Utzon. After his design won a competition in 1957, this highly controversial project at the time came to define Australia. The Sydney Opera House is a modern expressionist design with a series of large precast concrete shells, each composed of sections of spire, forming the roofs of the structure. Set on a monumental podium, the building covers 1.8 hectares or 4.4 acres of land and is 183 m or 600 feet long and 120 m or 394 feet wide at its widest point. It is supported on 588 concrete piers sunk as much as 25 m or 82 feet below sea level. That's all I have to say about Sydney Opera House. In conclusion, the Sydney Opera House is a multi-venue performing arts center in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. Located on the foreshore of Sydney Harbour, it is widely regarded as one of the world's famous and distinctive buildings and a masterpiece of 20th century architecture, and the Sydney Opera House is the symbol of modern Australia. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.